Mike Bogroff, and I'm the golf course superintendent at the Pines Country Club in Morgantown, West Virginia. The Pines Country Club was established in 1970. We have a strong tradition of great conditions on the golf course. We're the home course for West Virginia University's men's golf team. We hosted the LPGA Futures Tour for 15 years, in which I was able to host 2 of the last tournaments. I started using Enclave in 2014, and ever since then it has been a staple in my spray program from tees, greens, and fairways all year long. Starting in the upper Midwest, where they can have 60 to 90 days of snow cover throughout a season, I've seen what snow mold can do to a golf course. Before Enclave came out, you'd have to combine several different products to get the results that you were looking for. It saves time only having to mix a couple jugs at a time instead of 4 or 5 different products all at once to get actually what you're getting just with Enclave alone. I know once it goes down in the fall that I'm going to be protected all winter long. And I know by using Enclave, going into the spring, we're going to have the turf conditions and the quality that are expected. I continue to use Quali-Pro's Enclave because of the guaranteed results that I see with my problem diseases, snow mold, anthracnose, and dollar spot. With the combination chemistries, you save money on products, you save money on time as far as mixing tanks. I don't have to have 4 or 5 different products in stock taking up space in my chemical storage. My relationship with Quali-Pro is very good. I trust the sales reps and distributors. Whenever I have questions about products, issues, I get immediate responses and I get all the answers that I need. I feel that when you buy a product, Quali-Pro provides the resources that you need, such as the Quali-Pro Academy to learn more about the products. You're not left alone to figure things out by yourself. As a superintendent, I feel like we're always striving for efficiency. I would definitely recommend Quali-Pro's Enclave to anybody who is concerned about the efficiency in their operation, cost-effective choices, and the products that they use on the golf course, and anybody who wants peace of mind knowing that their turf is protected when they're not on the golf course.